In today's demanding world, finding moments of calm and clarity is essential. Meditation offers a powerful, accessible practice to cultivate inner peace. It's a technique that has been valued for thousands of years across diverse traditions. Increasingly, modern science is validating the significant positive impacts meditation can have on our minds and bodies. It's not about stopping thoughts, but learning to observe them without judgment. Let's delve into some of its key benefits. One of the most immediate and widely reported benefits is a significant reduction in stress levels. Meditation activates the body's relaxation response, counteracting the effects of the stress response. Regular practice helps lower cortisol, the primary stress hormone. This leads to a greater sense of calm and resilience in daily life. It provides a mental refuge from the pressures we often face. By focusing on the breath or a simple anchor, meditation helps quiet the mental chatter that often fuels anxiety. It teaches you to observe anxious thoughts without getting overwhelmed by them. This creates emotional distance and perspective. Meditation is essentially a workout for your attention span. By repeatedly bringing your focus back to your chosen anchor when your mind wanders, you strengthen your ability to concentrate. This improved focus translates directly to better performance in tasks requiring sustained attention. Whether you're working, studying, or engaging in complex activities, enhanced concentration is invaluable. Meditation helps you become less susceptible to distractions, both internal and external. It trains your mind to stay present. This heightened awareness also improves your ability to listen actively and engage more fully in conversations and interactions. You become more mindful of the present moment, leading to greater efficiency and presence. Meditation cultivates greater self-awareness and emotional intelligence. By observing your thoughts and feelings without immediate reaction, you gain insight into your emotional patterns. This non-judgmental observation is key. This practice helps you develop a healthier relationship with your emotions. Instead of being controlled by them, you learn to acknowledge them and choose your response. This leads to improved emotional regulation and stability. It fosters a sense of inner peace and contentment, reducing reactivity and promoting a more balanced perspective. You become more accepting of yourself and others, enhancing overall emotional well-being. The benefits of meditation are cumulative, growing with consistent practice. Even a few minutes each day can make a difference. There are many forms, from guided meditations to simple breath awareness. Finding a practice that resonates with you is key. It can be done anywhere, anytime, sitting quietly, walking mindfully, or even during a short break. Consistency is more important than duration. Incorporating meditation into your routine can be a powerful tool for navigating the complexities of modern life. It's an investment in your mental, emotional, and even physical health. Meditation offers a profound pathway to a more centered, focused, and peaceful existence. From reducing stress and anxiety to boosting concentration and improving emotional well-being, its benefits are far-reaching. Embracing this ancient practice can empower you to live with greater presence, clarity, and resilience. It's a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing your quality of life.